In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch Telegram videos without downloading them. This is incredibly useful if you want to save storage space on your device, preview content before downloading, or simply watch videos quickly without waiting for large files to download first. This method works perfectly on Telegram desktop and makes viewing videos seamless and instant. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. You can launch it from your taskbar, start menu, or desktop shortcut. Once Telegram desktop is open, navigate to the chat or channel that contains the video you want to watch. This could be a personal chat, a group conversation, or a public channel. Scroll through the conversation until you find the video file you want to view. You'll see a thumbnail preview of the video with a play button in the center. Now, simply click the play button on the video. As soon as you click it, the video starts streaming immediately. There's no need to download the entire file first. Telegram desktop streams the video content directly, so you can start watching right away. The video will play within the Telegram app itself, with full playback controls available. You can pause, adjust the volume, or skip to different parts of the video, just like any standard video player. If you want to watch in full screen mode, you can click the full screen icon that appears on the video player controls. This streaming feature saves you time and storage space, especially when dealing with large video files or when you're just browsing through content. And that's it. You've successfully watched a Telegram video without downloading it. The video streams directly in Telegram desktop, giving you instant access without filling up your hard drive. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.